Welcome to Right Ideas with Susan, where I put up simple ideas to help people like you teach kids about the Bible, about Jesus, and Christian values. And today I've got a really simple craft that you can do with your kids. It's a necklace craft, and I have done this craft specifically for the Bible verse Romans chapter 5 verse 11, and we did it in sign language recently.
God sent our Lord Jesus Christ to make peace with us.
But I also have a template that is totally plain and you could use for any Bible verse. Just check out my website. You'll find the poster and the templates to go with this craft. So let's get into it. Just download and photocopy the template that you want and then cut them apart. For very young children, you can have them fully cut up for them to make it easier. Then have something for them to color them with. And with the yarn, 70 centimeters lengths works great. And then I tie them up and the pendant fits straight over them very easily. Have some scissors, glue stick, and a stapler could work as well. And top it all off with some sort of special sticker or gemstone. Okay, if you like this little necklace craft idea, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more Bible memory verse ideas, I have got a whole playlist there with lots of really creative ideas for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you press the subscribe button, you tap the bell, and you'll be notified whenever I put up a new clip. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.